Good morning, class. Today, in the next exercise of cube and cube root, we will learn about the shortcut methods. Shortcut methods for cubing a given number. Cubing a given number. So, shortcut method, what is that shortcut method? Let us learn. Okay. Students, this shortcut method we have already discussed in squaring a given number. Okay. But here the formula is a bit different. Suppose that if I have to cube the given number, which is 25, that means 25 cube. So what is the pattern to write down? Alright? The pattern to write down is like this, that a square into a, then a square into 3b, okay, then b square into 3a, and lastly b square into b. So this is the actually shortcut method by which we can, this is the formulation, this is the pattern, how can we cube a given number through the shortcut method. First of all, the given number is 25. So we will consider let a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. Okay. So how will it go? A square, that means 2 square into 2. Alright. Next, a square again, that means 2 square into 3b, that means 3 into 5. Alright. Then b square, b is 5. So I am going to write b square means 5 square into 3a, that means into 3a. A is what? A is 2. Okay. This dot means, this dot represents the multiplication. Now b square, that means 5 square into b, that means into 5. Now students, 5 square will give you 25. Okay. So again I am going to write 25 into 5. 5 square, that means 25 into 3 to the 6. 2 square, that means 4 into 3 5 the 15. And here 2 square, that means 4 into 2. Okay. So 25 5 the 125. Alright. Everywhere you will simply multiply and find the product. So 25 into 6 gives you 150. And 15 for the 16. And 4 to the 8. Okay. Now what we have to do, and what could be the next step for finding the 25 cube? We will write that hence 25 cube will be like this. That means 5, the digit which is at unit place will be written right here, okay, and a rest of these two will be transferred to the next column, which is here. So I am going to add here, so 150 plus 12, it will give you 162. Okay. Again these two unit place will be written over here, and both these numbers 16 will be transferred to the another column. So 60 plus 16 will gives you 76. Again, what is the number we are having at unit place? We will say 6. So 6 will be written here. And then 7. Then 7 will be transferred to the last column. So 8 plus 7 will give you 15. So this 15 will be noted down here. So this is your 25 cube. Understood, students? Understood? So this is the 25 cube. I hope you have understood this concept. If not, I can repeat one more time this method with another example. Alright? Let's move on to another question. So, what is that question? Let us see. Now the question I am going to take is 84 cube. Okay? And the whole of the things I will have to erase. And shortcut method, formulation for shortcut method will remain intact like this. Once again, let A equal to 8 and B equal to 4. We will place accordingly the way we have just learned to place all A and B into their respective positions. So A, 8. So it is 8 square into 8. Correct? Now A square, that means 8 square into 3B. 3 into B, that means 4. B square. B square means what? 4 square into 3A. So 3 into A. A is 8. B square again is 4 square into B. B, that means 4. Okay. Now we are going to find out the product. So 4 square, that means what? 16. 16 into 4. 4 square here 16 into 3 8 ja 24. Here 8 8 ja 64 into 3 4 ja 12. And here 8 square, that means 64 into 8. Okay. So 16 4 ja 64. I am going to multiply here. So 16 into 24. 16 into 24. You can do this one in the rough area. 16 4 ja 64. 16 2 ja 32. So 4 6 2 ja 8. 384 is the product. So I will write 384 here. One more multiplication is 64 into 12. So 64 into 12, that means 8, 2 4 6. It will give you 768. And 68, 64 8 ja 512. Okay. So this is how we have come to the product of every column. This is one column, this is another column, this is another column. Now, we will write 84 cube. At the bottom we are going to write 84 cube equal to. What is the digit at one's place? 4. So 4 is written. Now 6 will be transferred to another column. It will go to this one. So 384 plus 6 gives you 390. What is that unit place? 0. So 0 is kept. 39 will be transferred to the other column. Again 39 will be added. 8 plus 9, 17, 7. Carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10, 0. 7 plus 8, so 8. Now this 7 will be kept here. 80 will be transferred to the last column. Now it will get added finally. This is 2, this is 9, this is 5. So 592. This is your cube of 84. I hope that you have learned this one in the best possible way. Thank you.